So when you get your grow bag, the main secret is don't put too many plants in it. Here I've got 2 individual plants in, giving it plenty of chance for these tomatoes to grow and have their own root run. Here's something clever. The little bit that you peel off, don't cut it off and throw it away. Because once you've watered and it's a really hot day, you can then just cut a slit and cover over to save losing any more moisture from the grow bag through evaporation. But of course, tuck it under when it rains so it's exposed to be able to receive that water. And if you've got these watering trays like this and you've got a little bit of cheeky space either end, you can use it for other plants. But here I've put a little bit of fleece at the bottom, really to sort of help retain moisture more than anything. You can buy capillary matting. If you haven't got that, you can use old towels, old tea towels like this, or old bath towels. You know, when you've had them for so long, it's like drying yourself with a paving slab, you know what I mean? Those old ones. And you can use that to line the bottom to absorb moisture in, and regularly, as you've punctured holes in the bottom of the grow bag, to be able to suck the moisture through, but also to hold the moisture in as well. So as it evaporates, it creates a nice bit of humidity. Now, if you haven't got a huge amount of space, you can use a grow bag and just cut it straight in half. And instead of having it flat in the garden, you can cut them in half and make almost your own container and plant your tomato plant straight in like that. So because it's quite deep here, the roots will go really down. But the key thing to remember, if you are planting up bags, and it can be bags of compost or anything, make sure you spike some drainage holes at the bottom to ensure the moisture releases itself. There's loads of hints and tips there that you can use to make the job of watering not only easier, but much more effective.